Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one filler of the Keherwa Taal. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2, E and 3, E and 1, E and 3, 1. Let's break it down now. It is a 2-beat filler that starts on the 3rd beat. We will play the high tom and mid tom together 3 times like this. 3 and one more time. 3 and now let's try this filler with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 3 and 1 and 3 and 1 E and 3 E and 1 E and 3 and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this filler on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.